Once upon a time in the vast world of Dragon Ball Z, Goku, the Saiyan warrior from Earth, found himself facing a new threat. A mysterious enemy named Zalor had emerged, threatening to conquer the universe with a power unlike any Goku had encountered before. Goku, always ready for a challenge, gathered his friends and allies. Together with Vegeta, Piccolo, and Gohan, he set off to confront Zalor on a distant planet. As they arrived, the air crackled with tension. Zalor stood tall, exuding an aura of dark energy. With a roar, Goku transformed into Super Saiyan Blue, his power surging. The battle commenced, shaking the planet to its core. Goku and Zalor clashed, their fists colliding with explosive force. Despite his strength, Goku found Zalor's power overwhelming. Each strike felt like hitting an immovable object. "Is that all you've got, Saiyan?" Zalor taunted, unleashing a wave of dark energy that sent Goku crashing to the ground. Goku struggled to his feet, determination burning in his eyes. "I won't let you win," he declared, summoning every ounce of his energy. He powered up further, his aura blazing brighter than ever. With a flash of inspiration, Goku remembered a technique he had learned from Whis, the Ultra Instinct. He calmed his mind, letting go of conscious thought, and allowed his body to move on its own. In an instant, Goku's hair and eyes turned silver, and his movements became fluid and precise. Zalor launched another attack, but this time, Goku effortlessly dodged and countered with lightning speed. The tide of the battle turned. Goku's newfound power overwhelmed Zalor, each punch landing with devastating effect. In a final, climactic moment, Goku gathered his energy for a Kamehameha wave. "This ends now!" he shouted, unleashing the powerful blast. The beam of energy engulfed Zalor, who let out a roar of defiance before being consumed by the light. As the dust settled, Goku reverted to his normal form, exhausted but victorious. His friends gathered around.